Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day. Y'all, we ain't playing no games, y'all. 2020 is about to be lit. We about to give y'all some real golden fortune. We got some golden fortune for you, for real. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step of how to make money. I'm going to do it as a field agent. If you trying to make some money online, y'all, I got you right now. I'm going to take y'all through these steps. I'm putting up videos every Tuesday, every Thursday. I'm going to give you this golden fortune. 2020 make 20, y'all. That's my motto. 2020 make 20. If you have not made $20 in your business, make 20 this year. If you had add a zero, make 200. Add a zero, make 2,000. Add a zero, make 20,000. Add a zero, make 200,000. Add a zero, make 2 million. But whatever you do, y'all, 2020 make 20. Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day. We about to get in the video. Oh, hold up. Follow my social media. Here we go. Instagram right here. Here we go. Twitter right here. Oh, I'm lying. I don't have no Twitter. I do, but I don't even use it. But I'll put it up there anyway. Instagram right here. Facebook right here. All right, y'all. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. There you go.
If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you were.
All right, first I want to show you that the job does work. Field agent, it does work. I'll show you where I have cash out, where they can send me $9 a day, where I did the transaction a while back. I did it December the 7th, 2016. I did 3 locations at a tobacco audit. I guess I don't know what I had to do. I don't remember, to be honest with you. All right, but I'm going to actually show you on the phone how you're supposed to do it, okay? Let me record my screen. Record. All right. So I'm actually recording my screen, and it's 3, 2, 1, start. All right, go to Field Agent, which I have on my phone already, but go to Field Agent, download Field Agent, which is this one right here. Once you download it, go ahead and open it up. Hit this tab to the left of the screen up at the top, and you'll see Find Jobs, My Jobs, Find Jobs, Hidden Jobs, okay? You also see where you can hit Cash Out, and I can cash out the money that I made already. All right, so let's go to Find Jobs. And we have Walmart jobs, where you do a mystery shop at Walmart customer service. All right, you go in and audit them. And again, it'll tell you what to do for $5. You have pickup and delivery. You have some $10 ones where you can go in, and this one you don't even have to go in. You have to just order something from their site within so many days and get paid $10. Okay, hit accept the job if you want that one. And then you have mystery shops. That's $6.50 at Popeyes. I guess go to Western Chapel. This one is in Western Chapel, and earn $6.50. Once you put your address in there, it'll give you locations close by. But what I think we're going to actually do is, because I'm headed this way, I'm going to do the one in Griffin. All right, y'all, we back. So I'm finna get ready to go do this job to show y'all that it worked. Field Agent right here. Hold on, right there, Field Agent. I'm gonna do the one that was just $3 because I don't have time, if they have it up still. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna pick the $3 one. Let me go back so I can show y'all. I'm gonna pick the Griffin one, $3 one, right there. All right, the very first one, click Griffin. I got 2 hours to do it. Boom, $3 they're gonna give you. Let's see, please allow 2 hours. Make sure you can do it, basically. Reserving the job. Let me tell you what I gotta do. I know I gotta take 2 pictures. y'all. All right, let me tell you what it says. Reserving the job. You have successfully reserved the job. This is what it'll look like. All right. I'm finna go ahead and head to that location, and I'll be back with y'all when I get there. I know that was terrible recording, but I was trying to show y'all how to make this money as a field agent. All right, I'll see y'all when I get there.
1 hour later.
Y'all, I don't know why I decided to do this video around Christmas time. This Walmart is packed. All right, so let me go ahead and accept this so y'all can see me. Accept this on the screen. Boom. Boom. I'm gonna record my screen so y'all can see it right here. Record screen. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and record my screen so y'all can see everything going on. I just got here. As y'all can see, I just parked. It says select all the companies you or someone in your immediate family works for. I'm just gonna say none of the above. Go to next. It says start by making your way to the self-checkout area on the grocery side of the store. All right, so I'm gonna try to record myself while I do this. I said try.
Right now when they roaming around, got me lost right now.
it in the bag for the cost right now. Tryna run me up a check, need a ball right now. Bad wanna with a boss right now. Well, alleviate your clothes, take them out right now. Good Lord, I'ma be his.
Let me make my way over there. Let me just see what the next step is. I don't want to just take the next photo. Take the next photo and answer the next 3 questions before you interact with the self-checkout host.
My thoughts right now when they roaming around got me lost right now. Throw it in the bag for the cost right now. Tryna run me up.
Congratulations. The job is complete. Alright, y'all. Shoot! Easy Silent Hustle here every day, all day.
Silent hustle, yeah. If nobody ever told you, well, I say you're awesome. This is for the underrated, undiscovered bosses. Yeah, the silent hustlers. You know you a boss, ayy. Silent hustle, but you hustle hard, ayy.